Hi everyone, my name is Varti Chaudhary and today we are going to discuss question number 5 of the graded assignment sheet of week 8. So question number 5 says that if f of x is equal to 1 minus x to the power 1 by 2 and gx is equal to 1 minus x square, find the domain of the composite function g of f. Now let us find what is the first of all the domain of f of x. If you try to find out the domain of f of x, this is going to be the equation that has been provided is 1 minus x to the power 1 by 2. So as you know that this is a real valued function, that's why the values of x will be accepted, which will give me a real number. So when this quantity is going to be real, when 1 minus x will be greater than 0, greater or equal to 0. Now, you can also write like this, that your x should be always lesser than your 1, lesser or equal to 1. So the domain of the f of x you are going to find out is your minus infinity, comma 1 in a closed interval. So this is the domain of f of x. Now, if you find out g of x, this is complete R, because whatever the value of x you are going to put, you are going to get gx as a real valued function itself. So for every value of x, you are going to get a real valued function. So gx domain is given R. But if you do the composite function, it means that whatever the domain of f you are getting, that g of f will get a restricted domain to this one itself, that is minus infinity comma 1, because you can know that hx is mapping, or the domain is restricted to minus infinity comma 1. So g of h will be also having a restricted domain, that is minus infinity comma 1 in a closed interval. So let's find out that which are the equation or which are the option which satisfied this. Now 1 will be absolutely not correct, because I already explained you that this is in a restricted domain to this one, that is minus infinity comma 1 in a closed interval. So 1 will not be there. Moving on to the next option, let's simplify so that we can get one domain. Now it is saying that intersection of two interval with a union of other. So let's find out on the number line which of the interval is representing this. Now let's first of all do the intersection. The intersection is given between, here let it be somewhere as minus 2 and this as your 1. If you represent 1 comma minus infinity, this will be somewhere in the range of this one. And if you plot minus 2 comma infinity, it will be moving to this direction. And here it will be somewhere like this. And you know that these are the closed intervals. So these are closed interval, like here. At 1 it's closed interval. And at minus 2 again a closed interval like this. So the intersection of these two interval is nothing but your closed interval minus 2 comma 1. Now taking union with minus infinity comma minus 2, if you plot this, let's plot this again. Suppose this is my number line. Here it is minus 2, 1, which is in closed interval. And the next one is your minus infinity from, suppose this is my minus infinity to the open interval minus 2. If you take the union, this is going from here to here, which gives you minus infinity comma 1 in a closed interval. So by this you can clearly see that option B is absolutely correct. Moving on to the next option, 1 comma infinity. As I have already said you that In 1 comma infinity, the function is not at all defined. We are getting an imaginary value. Thus, option C is also incorrect. It's also incorrect. Moving on to the last option. R subtracting 1 comma infinity. It means that all the real numbers but excluding the open interval 1 comma infinity. If you rewrite this in an interval, this is going to be minus infinity to 1 in a closed interval. So option D is also correct. So we are getting two desired options which are correct and according to the question, that is option B and option D. I hope I have made this question very clear. If still any doubt persists, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can also write me in my mail account which is given in the description below. Now I'll not be doing question number 11 because I do not have the complete question. You can try that by yourself. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you.